You have found Make It Smarter, where you will find middle school math and science tutorials. Welcome everyone. Today's tutorial is on multiplying a whole number by a fraction. Here you can see that we have the whole number 5. Whole numbers are all the counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as far as you can count, as well as 0. And here you can see we have a fraction, 4 over 5. Fractions represent, in this case, 4 over 5 represents less than the whole number 1. You can also have fractions that represent more than the whole number 1. They can represent a whole number and part of another whole number. So how do you multiply a whole number by a fraction is the question that we're trying to answer right now. So let me start by rewriting this. I'm going to rewrite this as 5 over 1. So I'm giving the whole number a denominator of 1, and I'm going to rewrite the rest of the question just as it is, 4 over 5. And now, just like I have taught you, we're going to multiply the numerators, 5 times 4, and we're going to multiply the denominators, 1 times 5. So let's do that. Let's do the math. So we know that 5 times 4 is 20, and we know that 1 times 5 is 5. Now, just like before, if possible, we're going to simplify this, and the greatest common factor here is 5. So we're going to divide the numerator by 5, and we're going to divide the denominator by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now, this is what we call an improper fraction, and in future lessons, I'm going to show you how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number, but for today, we'll just leave it as an improper fraction. Here's where I'd like you to pause the tutorial and try these two questions on your own. So let's check your answers and compare them to my answers. So as before, as I showed you, I'm going to rewrite this as 5 over 1, giving the whole number a denominator of 1, times 4 over 9. And then I'm going to multiply it out. So then multiply numerator times numerator, 5 times 4 is 20, and 1 times 9 is 9. The greatest common factor for 20 and 9 is 1. So if I divide both of these by 1, it doesn't change anything. My answer stays as 20 over 9. Let's try the next one. You'll notice for the next one that the order is reversed. The fraction comes first and the whole number comes second. It does not change the process in how you answer this question. I'm still going to rewrite this, and I'm going to leave the fraction as it is, and I'm going to write the whole number with a denominator of 1, and then I'm going to multiply. I'm going to multiply the numerators. 3 times 7 is 21, and 7 times 1 is 7. The greatest common factor for 21 and 7 is 7. So I'm going to divide the numerator by 7. I'm going to divide the denominator by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 7 divided by 7 is 1. And we're going to leave it as a whole, as an improper fraction.